Let's revise. What did we say? Now, let's take here, or let's find, we evaluate how to find the integration of the exponential functions. That's if you have it as b to the power u, its integration will be b to the power u over ln b, and the integration of e to the power u will be e to the power u plus c. We solved some examples like this one here. Let's remember the first step, if you have it as e to the power x, or if you want now to find the integration of e to the power x, you have to say it's e to the power x plus c. But if you have it as e to the power u, anything but not x, you have to suppose that u is negative x, so you have to find what du, which is negative dx. Then you have to evaluate dx with du, then you will integrate it. These are the examples that we solved them before. Let's now take new examples today. Let's solve number 65 here. In number 65, we have integration of e to the power 2x dx. Now, the first step, you have to suppose that 2x is u. So if u is 2x, so du will be 2 dx. Then I have now to evaluate or to substitute 2x with u. So e, but now instead of writing 2x, you have to write u. But here, what do we have? We have dx. I cannot keep it as dx. I have to write it as du. To write it as du, so dx will be du over 2. So dx, I write instead of it du over 2. So I have it now as half integration of e to the power u du. And as we know before, the integration of 1 of e to the power u will be e to the power u. So half e to the power u plus c. Then I will evaluate e to the power of u, with 2x. So it will be half e to the power 2x plus c. So here, to integrate it, first you have to find how to substitute with u, then find du, then evaluate it on the function, then integrate. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Now, let's solve number 66. The number 66 here, we have to find the integration of e to the power negative x over 2 dx. The first step, as we said before, let's say that this is u. So if u is negative x over 2, so du over dx will be, this is negative half times x, so it's negative half. So du over dx is negative half. I want dx only, so cross product, negative dx will be 2 du over negative 1 over negative 1, so dx will be negative 2 du. So from a u substitution, I need to find two things. I need to find u and dx. These are the two things that you need to find them. Now let's come back. Integration of e to the power u and dx, you have to write in it negative 2 du. Then it's come like negative 2 integration of e to the power u du. Now what's the integration of e to the power u? It will be e to the power u. So negative 2 e to the power u plus c. As I told you before, the integration of e to the power u will be e to the power u plus c. Then I have it as negative 2e, but now you have to write as negative x over 2 plus c. This is for number 66. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Now, let's solve number 67. As I told you, you have to do the same steps. In number 67 here, you have to find the integrate of e sine x times cosine x dx. Now, this is u. So, let's say that is u, if u is sine x, so du will be, what is the integrate derivation of sine? Cosine x
Cosine x.
dx. As I told you, I have now as, I need now to find dx, which is du over cosine x. So two things, you have to evaluate u and you have to find dx. If I have two things now, I have these two things I ready to integrate. Integration of, now sine x, I have to write it with u, times cosine x, but dx now you have to evaluate it with du over cosine x. Since you evaluate dx, or we substitute dx with du over cosine, you will cancel the cosine. So you have it as integration of e to the power u du. Now what's the integration of e to the power u?
E to the power u plus c.
It is e to the power u plus c. So it will be e to the power sine x plus c. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Now let's solve number 68. In number 68 here, you have to find the integrate of x cubic e to the power x to the power 4. Now where is, to find it, you have to search where is e, the power that is raised to e will be u. So I will repeat, you have to search where is e, the power that is raised to e will be u. So this is u. If u is x to the power 4, so du over dx will be 4x cubic. What did I want? I want to write dx. So how? By cross product. Dx times 4x cubic will be du. As I told you, when I go to this step, I need to find two things. What is u and what is dx? This is u, and need to find dx. So how? By dividing by 4x cubic. So after that, I will find dx as du over 4x cubic. After we have these two things now, let's come back to integrate. Integration of x cubic. Now, e, but now instead of writing x to the power 4, you have to write u. So I have to be e to the power u times dx. Where's dx? This is dx. It is du over 4x cubic. As you see now, why I used du to cancel x. because I cannot have u and x and at the same integration. So what did we have now? We have it now as 1/4 integration of e to the power u du. And the integration of e to the power u is e to the power u. So it comes like 1/4 e to the power u plus c. Then let's come back to evaluate it with 1/4 e to the power x to the power 4 plus c. This will be now the final answer. Is it clear?
Clear.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Let's now find number 69 or solve number 69. In number 69 here, you have to find the integrate of x squared e to the power -2 x cubic dx. Here now, as I told you, you have to find where is e, and the power that is raised to e will be u. So this is u. So if u is -2 x cubic, what did I need to find now?
Du over dx.
Bravo. So you have to find du. Now du will be -2 times 3 x squared dx. I need dx only. So let's divide by -6x squared by -6x squared in order to find dx as du or over -6x squared. After we have u and dx, let's come back now to our integration here. Integration of x squared. Now, e to the power -2 x cubic, you have to evaluate it now with u, times dx, you have to evaluate it now with du over -6 x squared. Then x squared cancel x squared. So now we have it as -1/6 integration of e to the power u du. So -1/6. Now what is the integration of e to the power u?
E to the power u plus c.
It is e to the power u plus c. So now it's -1/6 e. Where's u?
-2x cubic.
2x cubic.
It is -2x cubic. Bravo. Plus c. That's it. How did you find it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.